Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a room tour of the Bellagio Hotel and Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the upgraded, remodeled King Room with just the standard view. When you walk into the room, have a king-size bed, nightstands, telephone alarm clock. On the wall, you can operate the drapes and open and close them automatically just by the press of a button. In the room, it's a nice flat screen TV on the wall. Then they also have a bunch of snacks for purchase. Mini bar, fully stocked, also for purchase. Table and chair. And the light has USB ports as well as power outlets. Then a little sofa in the room with a table. And from the standard view, this room is on the 15th floor. You can see the Rio and the mountains from back there. Nice big closet. Has a safe, 2 robes, an ironing board, and an iron. Now we'll head into the bathroom. In the bathroom, you got a nice big walk-in tile shower. Standard shower head. 2 big light-up mirrors. And dual vanity. That's going to complete the room tour of the Bellagio Standard King Room. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and follow along for more videos to come.